In this video, I'll show you how to identify a fake Facebook account so you can avoid scams and protect your privacy. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and go to the profile of the account you want to check. Start by looking at the profile picture. Many fake accounts use very attractive photos, celebrity pictures, or images that look too perfect. Next, check the account's profile information. Tap on the profile and look at details like bio, work, education, and location. If the profile has very little information or looks incomplete, it could be a fake account. After that, scroll through their timeline and check their posts. Fake accounts often have very few posts, recently created activity, or mostly shared content instead of personal posts. You should also check their friends list. If the account has very few friends or the friends seem random from different countries, that can be another warning sign. Another thing to look at is their messaging behavior. If the account sends links, asks for personal information, or tries to move the conversation quickly to another platform, it's best to be careful. You can also tap the 3 dots on their profile to report or block the account if you believe it is fake. These simple checks can help you stay safe while using Facebook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.